Hey guys, so today we are making ossobuco. This is ossobuco meat. I really don't have all the ingredients that I need to make this recipe, but I'll just have to use whatever I have. So that means it's my own recipe. So Aurelia's Kitchen ossobuco style. Yes, so this is the meat that I'm going to use. So let's get cooking. So the first thing is to salt it just to make it flavorful. And I'm using our Pili Pili gourmet salts, soon available on our website. So I just salt it like that, and some black pepper. So make sure you season it on both sides. So after seasoning, my herbs of choice is basil today because I have so much of it and I wanted to use it so that more can continue growing. So we have these big leaves of basil. So I'll just add to this just to give it some flavor. So I just wanted it nicely browned like so. Of course it's not done, it's not well done, like very raw inside, but the process is not yet done. This is the first step, so let's get to the next step. This is the first step to make sure the beef is well browned on both sides and just a bit charred, just like mine is.